My name. Wait, cut. Hello, my name is Stephen Damlola Day. I am 27 years old. I'm from West Africa, Nigeria. My first day at Tallinn University of Technology. Let's see, can I remember? It was really beautiful because this was my first time at an international university, and I was like, this is going to be massive. Before I got here, I did a research about the economy, the people. I also knew about the song festival in Estonia even before I got here. And I was like, wow, this guys love song. I was like, beautiful. This is a beautiful place I also want to get to. I love music. I love music. I can say it anywhere. It was a very big and huge opportunity for me when I got to school. I joined the school choir 2018, September, after the auditions. Then Lau Lupido was 2019, Estonian Song and Dance Festival. It was massive. Oh man. I sang with my colleagues and seriously, I felt so emotional.
Of the body that have been put in a conjurum.
Have an open mind. A lot of myths about traveling to another country, about racism and quote. It's everywhere, so but don't let it cloud your mind.
We worship your name, we worship you, Lord. Sing the song.
I have 3 siblings. I'm the 3rd child of my parents and the only male. Fortunately, I got here alone 2018. And the next year, 2019, my 2 sisters, that's my immediate elder sister and my baby sister, they joined me here in Tallinn, Estonia. They are here they are here now. They're also studying different programs in Tallinn University.
Waffle.
No, ready.
124. 214. Drop really
Me the drop a already.
Community back home and here.
Maybe in Nigeria, basically, neighbors interact. Neighbors talk to each other.
Yeah.
But here, everybody is just
You're on your own.
on your own. Mind your business.
I smile a lot, and if I smile to you, and it looks like I'm not receiving it, okay, I bow my head and say, okay, he or she is not interested. Some of them smile. Some of them are like, who's this guy? Sometimes I wave. Some of them wave back. Some of them don't. And but I understand that. It's just personal to these Estonians that they just like their personal space, and you just have to respect that. And when they get to give you the opportunity to communicate, then you should hold it firm.
Àti pé daddy ò gbé. A ní ká pè yín náà ní ká kí yín. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see your cheek.
No smart, you know. Well done, ma.
Oh boy. Yes,
ma.
ma.
Having my sisters here has made Tallinn my second home. Yeah, it doesn't feel like I'm an immigrant here anymore, you know?
On the depth of your heart, sing, you are Yahweh. Gloria.